morning student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 playing with number, exercise 3.5, question number 4. Exercise 3.5, question number 4. Question number 4 have what have in question number 4? Question number 4 have in a morning walk 3-person steps up together. Their steps measure 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter and 90 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that their steps cover the same distance in completely steps? I repeat this question again. In the morning walk 3-person steps up together. Their steps measures 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter and 90 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete step? So in this question we need to find the distance covered by each of them required to be the same as well as minimum distance. So for this we find the LCM of 80, 85 and 90. This is the minimum distance. Okay. So let's see how to solve these questions. In these questions the step walk distance is given each person. The step measure of each person is 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter and 90 centimeters. So here you write LCM of of 80, 85 and 90. This is equal to what? How do we find LCM? We find LCM by two methods, two ways, by primation methods and by division methods. Here we find the LCM by division methods. So for division methods we write it in this format: 80, 85, 90. Clear? So after this we select a smallest prime numbers such that it divides at least two numbers, at least two given numbers. So here we select 2. If we take 2, if we divide 80 by 2, we get here what? We get here 40, and 85 does not divide by 2, so we write 85 as it is, and here this is 90. If we divide it by 2, so we get here 45. This is clear? Again, we select which number? 5. The smallest 5 number, 5, which is divides at least two given numbers. Okay. So if we divide it by 5, then we get here, we write here 5, and here we get 8, and here we get 17, and here we get what? 9. This is clear. So this is a prime number. 9 and 8 is nothing common between them. So if I write LCM is equal to what? LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 8 into 9 into 17. Okay. If you multiply it, then you get 12,240. 12,240. This is the LCM of 80, 85 and 90. Is LCM of 80, 85 and 90. We find here you can see 12,240. Okay. But in this question, we need to find the minimum distance that each person completed in complete steps. Okay, so you can write it the required distance, the required minimum distance is equal to required minimum and distance is equal to 12,240 centimeters. Okay, the required minimum distance is equal to 12,240 centimeters. You can also change it in meters. So student, in very well, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeters. Or you can write it 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, or 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So here we have how many centimeter? 12,240 centimeter. So it will become 12,240 divided by 100. So we get it in meter. This is clear? Now, if you divide it, you can cancel 1 0 by 0 and we will get 122.4 meters. This is clear? So student, I hope all of you understood this question. In these questions, the measure of the 3 person is given 80, 85 and 90. Question asked to us, what is the minimum distance they complete in same steps? Okay, so first we find the LCM of 85, 80 and 90. This is equal to, you can see 12,240. Here we find the LCM by dividing methods. This is a required distance. Okay, so this is in centimeter. You can also convert it in meter. This is equal to 122.4 meters. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss relation between HCF and LCM of two natural numbers. Let's see what is the HCF and LCM of two natural numbers. After this, we solve question number 5 of this exercise 5.1. Okay, suppose two numbers we have A and B. Here we are going to discuss relation between HCF and LCM of two natural numbers. Okay, relation between HCF and LCM are two numbers Relation between HCF and LCM of two natural numbers, you can say two natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay, so product of two numbers, this is the relation product of two numbers. This is equal to product of their LCM and HCF, or you can write here HCF into LCM. Product of LCM into HCF. Here, suppose two numbers have A and B have two numbers. A and B. Two numbers are two natural numbers. A and B. So their HCF of A and B is 10. HCF of A and B. Suppose this is equal to C, and LCM of A and B. This is equal to D. So according to this relation, A into B is equal to C into D. This is a product of two numbers. This is a product of LCM and HCF. This is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood this relation between the LCM and the HCF of two numbers. This is clear now. So we are going to discuss next question number 5, which is depend on this formula. Okay, this relation, product of two numbers is equal to product of LCM and HCF of that numbers. This is clear now. So let's see what have the question number 5. Question number 5 have, if HCF and LCM of two numbers are 6 and 840 respectively, if the one number is 42, find the other numbers. Student, in this question this is given, LCM is given 6, HCF is given 840, and one number is given 42. We need to find other numbers. So in this lesson we already discussed that if your first number is given and LCM HCF is also given, so you need to find second numbers or other numbers. So you can write other numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM of two numbers divided by first numbers. Okay, so you can find other numbers. Okay, so let's see how to solve these questions. This is question number 5, and I hope all of you understood the relation between numbers and the LCM and HCF of the two digital numbers. Okay, so in this question number 5, this is given, HCF is given HCF, this is given 6, LCM is also given. What is LCM? LCM is also given 840. 840, this is the LCM. Okay, and now first number is given here. First number is given here 42. We need to find second number. So second number, we use formula second number. Second number is equal to what? Second number is equal to product of two numbers. Product is equal to HCF into LCM into divided by first number. First numbers. Okay, this is clear. HCF into LCM divided by first numbers. This is clear. So here you can see HCF is given as 6, LCM is also given 840, and first number is given 42. Clear? Now, so we need to find second numbers, or you can see other numbers. Okay, so if you divide it by 42, so you get here 20. So here we have 6 into 20. So you know very well how to multiply 6 into 20. 6 to the 12. It means that you can say 6 into 20 is equal to 120. Okay, so this is equal to 120. Student, in this way you can find here the second number. Okay, now I hope all of you understood these questions. I repeat this question again. In this question, this is given that the HCF and LCM of a numbers of two numbers are 6 and 840 respectively. If one of the number is 42, find the other number. So here we know very well the formula, or you can see the relation between two numbers and their HCF and LCM. This is clear. So product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. So here HCF LCM given, one number is given, so other numbers are, you can say second number is equal to product of LCM and HCF of the number divided by first number. So here you can see HCF into LCM by first number. This is clear. So HCF given 6, LCM given 840, and the first number is given 42. If you divide 840 by 42, then you get 20. 20 into 6, you get here 120. So here the second number is 120. If you have any doubt in this question, so you can find the HCF or LCM. So let's see how to find LCM. We have two numbers now, 120 and 42. So what is the HCF? Okay, so we find HCF by prime factorization method. So let's see, if HCF is, we find 6 are both numbers, then our answer will correct. Okay, now so 120 we can express it as a product of the residual factor. So 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, okay, into 3 into 5. This is 120, and next is 42. 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 6. Sorry, 2 into 3 into 7. So how you find HCF? HCF is equal to, in HCF we write only common terms. Okay, so here common number is 2 and 3. Okay, so we have 2 into 3. This is equal to 6. So here you can see we find 6. This is our LCM. This is given. It means that we find this number 120 is right. Okay. Also you can find its LCM. So how can we find its LCM? Here we can use the division methods. Here first number is 120, second number is 42. This is clear, you can see here. And here we use division methods. First we take 2, this becomes 60, and here this is 21. Here now we take 3, this becomes 20, and this becomes 7. Okay, so LCM is equal to what? LCM is equal to here 2 into 3 into 7 into 20. This is equal to what? This is equal to 840. Clear? So here this LCM we find. It means that our answer is right. This is clear. Now the second questions, or you can say question number 6 of this exercise 3.5, chapter 3, playing with number is that. Next question, find the HCF of 198 and 78. Hence find their LCMs. Okay, so we can find LCM and HCFs. How you find LCM and HCFs? You can find HCFs by division methods, by prime factorization methods. Both methods you can solve it. Okay, so let's see how we solve this question. Okay, and only we find LCM or HCFs by the LCM method or division method or prime factorization method. After this we find next terms LCM and HCF by using this formula. Okay, because two numbers are given here, 198 and 78 is also given here. Okay, so let's see. First we erase them. After this we solve this question, question number 6. Okay, I hope all of you understood question number 5. In question number 6, this is given here. Two numbers are. What are the two numbers? Two numbers is given here, 198 and 78. 198 and find the prime factorization HCF by division methods. Okay, so HCF of 198 and 78. So by division methods, first we write greater numbers. 198 is greater number, and after this we divide it by second number. So 78. We divide it by 78. Then how many times? 2 times. So here we write 2. So 16, 15. Okay. Subtract them. Here we get 2, and here we get what? 4. This is clear? Now, yes, here this remainder becomes divisor, and this divisor becomes dividend. We write here 78. This is clear? So how many times? 1 times. So we divide it 1 time, 42 1 the 42, and again subtract it. We get here what? We get here 6, here 3. Now this remainder becomes divisors, and this divisor becomes what? This divisor becomes dividend. So here we write 42, again we divide it in 1 times. So 36 1 the 36, and subtract them. Then you get here what? You get here 6. Now this remainder becomes divisor, and this divisor becomes dividend. Here you can write 36. How many times? 6 times. Okay. So this numbers is HCF of 198 and 78 is 6. This is clear. Now we need to find LCM. So we find LCM by the relation between the two numbers and the LCM HCFs. Okay. So let's see. So LCM is equal to what? LCM of two numbers is equal to product of the number. Product of two numbers. Okay. Product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. Divide by HCF. HCFs. Okay. So here you can see the number is given 198 into product of this number is 78, and HCF is what is this here? HCF is we find 6. Okay. So you can divide it 6 3 6 3, or you can say this is equal to 33 into 76. If you multiply 33 into 76, then you get 2574. 2574. This is clear? Okay. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now, in these questions, first we find the HCF. We also find LCM by division methods or prime factorization methods. Okay, every way you can find it. So I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 7. Okay, so question number 7 have find the HCF of 180 and 336, and also find the LCM. So you use same method to find the LCM and the HCFs. Okay, so let's see the given two numbers. What are the given two numbers? We use same method to find. We write given two numbers are given two numbers this is equal to 180 and 36. 180 and 336. Clear? So first we find its prime factors. After this we can find it HCF by prime factorization method. So 180 is equal to what? We can break it like this. 2, it will become 90. Again 2, it will become 45. 3, 15. Again 3, 5 and 5. First we find the 5 prime factors of each numbers. Okay. After this we find its HCF by prime factorization methods. Okay. So this is equal to 336. Okay. Now 2, 1, 6, 8. Here 1, 6, 8. Again 2, 8, 4. Again 2, 4, 2. Again 2, 2, 1. Again 2, 3, 7. Again 2, 7, 1. So student, here we can write 180. We express it as the product of prime factor. This is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here now again this is 336. This is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Here. So what is the count between them? So you can see here how many 2, 2, 2. This is common and 3, 3. This is also common. So you can write HCF. HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. This is equal to what? 12. 2 2 is 4. 4 2 is 12. This is a HCF of two given numbers. Now you need to find also its LCM. Okay. So here we find this is a HCF. So LCM is equal to what? LCM is equal to what? You know very well how to find LCM. If two numbers is given and we also find its HCF. So you also product of two numbers by HCF, then we get LCM. Okay. You can also find the LCM by this prime factorization methods or division methods. Everything depends on you. So if you use the lesson of two numbers and the HCF and the LCM, then you can also find the LCM. So LCM is equal to product of the number. Number is given 180 and 336. Okay, and divide by HCF. HCF is we find here 12. So you can cancel them. 12, 1 is 12, 12, 5 is, you can cancel it by 3 times 2, then you get 15. Okay, so this is equal to 15 into 336. Okay, if you multiply them, then you get the LCM. After 36, 336 and 180. This is equal to 336 into 15. You can multiply 5, 6 is 30, carry 3, 5 is 15, 3 18, carry 1, 5 1 and 5 is 15 and 16. Here now again 5 1 into 6, 1 into 6, 6, 3 into 1, 3, 3, 8 them, you get here 0, 14, 4, 9, 10, 0, 4, 1, 5. So this is equal to 5040 is LCM of 180 and 336. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.